personality, Lane Chinwin. A renowned senior advocate from N. Subba Reddy with a big hand. This beautiful evening, we are really obliged. Welcome, sir. Welcome you, sir. Welcome you, sir. And with us also we have our another chief guest. I welcome Saida Talat Fatim. Immense pleasure. Madam, I welcome you to come on the stage. I welcome you, madam, on the stage. It's really good to see you with us. And I welcome our principal, sir. Please give a big hand for our principal, sir. We welcome Mr. D.K. Soni, our principal, sir. Welcome you, sir. Thank you for your kind presence. And we also all the students of MBT College of Pharmacy. Today we have the lovely function getting started. But before that, I want to tell, as we have already mentioned with us, we have got an important personality, a very busy man, but in spite of being him, Sri K. N. Subba Reddy is a renowned senior advocate from Bangalore, has handled thousands of cases in High Court and several cases in Supreme Bangalore Advocates Association continuously for the period of 20 years. So ladies and gentlemen, it's really, I'm mobilized, sir, for your kind presence. Thank you very much. And as we have also, thank you very much, ma'am, for your kind presence. I request our principal, sir, to honor our chief guest. I request our principal, sir, Mr. D.K. Soni of MBT College of Pharmacy, to honor our chief guest now with shawl. And welcome, sir. We welcome you, sir. And I will now request, sir, to shawl. Sir, Subba Reddy, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your kind presence with us. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now I request our Madam Secretary of the college, Madam, for making our evening beautiful because of your presence. And as we say, any of please always be with us. And as in our tradition, in our Indian culture, any occasion starts by lighting of the lamp. So I request all the dignitaries to come over and please. Our chief guest, K. N. Subba Reddy, sir, lighting of the lamp formally. So he has inaugurated our function of today. Occasion for all of us at MBT College of Pharmacy. Oh, after a long time we have come to the day to celebrate. Come on, everyone! Here is a lovely night! And now we have Madam Talat also inaugurating this occasion. Thank you. Beautiful, and we all are now rejuvenating. But all our students, we should always take. He's going to tell all his experience and he's going to share a lot of things with you. So I now hand over the mic to you, sir. And it's my privilege also to listen to your good advice. Over to you, sir.
Mr. Soni, Mrs. Soni, and his entire family members are known to me very well. Really very good of them to invite me. I think he has made a very good beginning. All of you have come from several parts of our nation, that is Gujarat, Punjab and UP and other places. So I think you have also seen Karnataka very much. Have you visited several places of Karnataka and southern India, like this Tamil Nadu, Andhra and other places? Whenever you get holidays, you have to, I request Mr. Soni to arrange for a vehicle so that they can visit to other places and see the importance of southern India. Studying very well, I am very happy because my brother was also in the pharmacy. He is in United States of America. He has made a very good name there, Memphis State, and he is really the state government employee there, and is doing very well in state because he was a graduate of pharmacy in Bangalore city. And I wish all best, and I hope that he will come up very well. And only thing is, you have to see, Swami Vivekananda says, strength, you must have the strength of life. Several problems you will have to come across, not only as a student, even in the future. When you enter into your householder, you will have to face several problems, but you have the courage. Swami Vivekananda says, only strength is life, weakness is death. So you must have that courage. Face any problem. Then only you will come up. That is the only one thing that I want to advise the youngsters, so that at this stage you may not be able to face several problems. Even now you are facing. And you have overcome all that only by strength of mind. That mind is very, very important. I hope you have come all the way from several places and you are doing very well, and the institution is also doing very well. I congratulate Ms. Soni and Mrs. Soni and the family for having taken up this place, and he has made a very good beginning. You know, actually he was a lecturer and then professor here, and resigned his post, and I suggested him, why not you start a college? And he took the bold decision to start the college. And this college there, we know he started there, and then now he has shifted to this place, and it's a beautiful place, a good location, and really you will be able to enjoy this atmosphere also, very important. So I am really happy to participate in your, though it is too late. I think I wanted to request Mr. Soni to cancel my visit and all that on some other day, but Ms. Soni is very particular that I should visit for some time. I am really very happy and to meet all of you. On some other day I will come and visit and see you, all of you personally. I hope that wish you the best in your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are really honored and inspired by your powerful words. As you told, Vivekananda sir has told, strength is the life. Now we request the person, as the Subba Reddy has so told, the person who has came from this to this and to this, our principal of the college. I request Soni sir to speak to you.
My dear students, the lecturers of this college, Chief Guest Mr. Subba Reddy and Mrs. Palat. Actually, because continuously I have been trying to bring Mr. Subba Reddy to our college for as a guest, but unfortunately I could not get the opportunity to do this function. And now we did it, and it was my wish, because this college permission was got by Mr. Subba Reddy only. The first requirement was to get the permission from state government, and it was Mr. Subba Reddy who got the permission. And he is known to me not now past 15 years. He has come to my help whenever we had any problem. And as I was told to you that he is very much, very continuously for 10-15 years. He is very close to all the ministers, whether from BJP or from Congress, because I have been observing when Mr. S.M. Krishna was the chief minister, then also we got the permission, he was from Congress party. And now also he is very close to the health minister, Mr. Ramlu. In fact, he suggested me also that if you make your program date little extended, then I'll get the health minister here as a guest. He close to the chief minister also, Mr. Yadurappa. And the recently elected mayor, Mr. Natarajan, he is close to him also. And I hope of getting any problem, any sort of problem will be solved by him within a matter of a day or two. And I request him that he should be associated to us and extend all the supports and help as he was doing earlier also. I thank him. I thank Mr. Subba Reddy for giving his valuable time. In spite of busy schedule, he came here in so odd hours, because normally he will not go out after 8 o'clock from the house, but on my request he has come here all the way, and it's a really greatness. And actually I had the opportunity to meet his brother. He is a pharmacy man. We from the key to speak for you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Arul, please give a big hand for Dr. Arul. He is amongst us. This area also, and you always see us here, and it's very, very, very. Mic volume more, Raghu. Let the mic volume. Now we come down for the award categories. We had sports. Hey guys, come on! Can I hear some noise for the sports? Yeah, come on! 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 Please give a big hand for him. Big hand for Tirupati Reddy. Next, I welcome in the. Wow. Next, I welcome Ashish Kumar, another teammate, Ashish Kumar. Hello. Chandan Prasad. Because Singh in the same team. Because Singh. And I welcome our 12th team member, Irwan Kumar. No, that is Shravan Kumar, right? Shravan Kumar. Shravan Kumar. Shravan Kumar. All right. Congratulations, Shravan. Very good. Very good. Well done, guys. This is the spirit. This is the spirit of MBT. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah, go cheer for 9. Now we come down for a. Okay, guys, listen. I will come Subba Reddy shirt. So. So show the trophy, everyone. The winning team trophy. Okay, whoever wants to join them. Okay, know that hard work pays. Hard work pays. Loknath, volleyball winner, Loknath. Come on, cheer up, Loknath. Ashwin Kumar. Nagraj, come on, call up Nagraj. Yeah, Nagraj. We all are getting inspired by Mr. Subba Reddy now. You are all lucky, huh? You are getting medal from Mr. Subba Reddy. And Praveen, I call up Praveen to come on the stage. Next we come down. All I've got. All right. Thank you. Student, you can go down. One more is there. Is there? What is your name? Praveen. Very good, Praveen ji. That's the spirit. Hello, Praveen. How you play, you should work also and study like that, okay? Very good. Good, Praveen. Chinmay. In Carom, Chinmay. Another winner, Carom, Chinmay. Very good, Ashish. Good job. For lemon spoon, I request.